Welcome back, everyone, to the Talk About Harrison. It's on again, off again rain, so I'm only going to be out here for a couple minutes. We're going to walk around and just take some beautiful things. With that being said, grab your camera and come along with me, and we'll meet up on the other side. Well, what do you think? Now, of course, you got to remember, your idea of pretty things and my idea of pretty things might be something different. But as long as you picked up the camera, and you came outside and you had fun, that's all what it's all about. And if you got any suggestions how I can get better, leave your comments below. And of course, while you're down there, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button so you can get all my videos. And you know, I say it all the time, when it comes to photography, no one knows it all. And of course, the more you learn about photography, the more you learn you didn't know. And as always, I want to thank you for coming along with me on my photographic journeys, no matter how foolish sometimes they might be. And for that, I will thank you. And I will see you next time.